everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have an important announcement for all students from grade 9 onwards. From now, I will be starting a NEET Foundation Coaching program specially designed for school students who want to prepare early and build strong concepts. If you are studying in grade 9 or 10, this is the perfect time to start NEET preparation. So it is not about last minute study, it's all about strong basics in physics, chemistry and biology from the beginning. So in the upcoming videos, I will be posting structured lessons, concept explanation, numericals and exam oriented practice questions. Now let me quickly explain the NEET exam pattern. So NEET is a completely objective exam with multiple choice questions. There are 180 questions in total, 45 questions from physics, 45 questions from chemistry and 90 from biology. So each correct answer carries 4 marks. So each wrong answer carries a negative marking of 1. Okay. So subject wise marks distribution will be for physics 180 marks, for chemistry 180 marks, for biology 360 marks. So totally 720 marks. So accuracy and conceptual clarity are extremely important. So that is why starting from grade 9 foundation level helps students strengthening basics, so improve numerical solving skills, increase confidence, reduce exam fear. So apart from YouTube lessons, I am also taking personal tuition, small batch coaching, online live classes. So if you are interested in joining my NEET foundation course, you can contact the number displayed on the screen. So let's start working towards your medical dream from today itself. Stay tuned for upcoming lessons. So keep learning, keep practicing, and I will see you in the next video.